chieng'. Jopuonj madongo mag sikunde mag sekondari obwogo mar loro sikunde chon poni piny owacho dhi rem chwalo omenda ma somo modong' ne sikunde. Kotelnegi kod jakom margi Willy Kuria, sikunde bandho piny owacho omenda maromo bilion 17 nyaka sani. Okoni gisebedo gi pek e chulo gope ma gin godo ka koro nyaka sani kata pidho jopuonjre e sikunde miyo gi pek kendo ok ginyal dhi nyime gi tam nyaka rum.
Most of the schools currently are on their knees, particularly the day schools that only wait for funds from the capitation. As we speak now, majority of the heads are playing hide and seek game with the suppliers because there is not enough funds in the school to meet and pay the suppliers. Two, the schools currently have laid off most of their BOM teachers. Qualified, experienced BOM teachers are laid off as a result of lack of funds. This now has compromised the quality of education that is taking place in our institutions.
Schools across the country are grappling with the mounting challenges stemming from inadequate and delayed capitation disbursement. These financial constraints have severely impacted the smooth running of many institutions, with the day schools bearing the brunt of the crisis. The insufficient funding hampers the delivery of essential services, disrupts learning programs, and strains the ability of schools to meet basic operational needs. And therefore, we want to say that addressing the issues surrounding capitation is both urgent and critical.